Good morning to you all. Today again we will discuss about the topic that is fraction and decimal. Fraction topic we had already covered in the decimal, addition, subtraction and multiplication we had covered. Today we will discuss about the division of the decimal. So there are three subtopics. First one it is division of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Second topic it is division of decimal by whole number, and third one it is division of decimal by a decimal. Division of decimal by a decimal. Fine. So now we are going to discuss about the first one, dividing a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Dividing a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. So now see the rule. Rule first. When a decimal is divided by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by one place. Clear? For example, here I am telling you. One example I am telling you. For example, here it is written that 10.2 upon 10. Fine. 10.2 upon 10. Okay, so here it is written decimal point is shifted to the left by one place. It means that we have to shift it from right to left. So this decimal point it will come here when we will divide it by 10. There is only 1 0 in the denominator, so it will shift only one place. So the answer will be 1.02. Fine. If we are going to divide it by 100, for example, here you can see that examples I am telling 23.25. Okay, 23.25 I am going to divide it by 10. Here you can see that there are two zeros. So decimal will shift from right to left to two places. So one place is 3, second place it is 2. Okay, it will shift towards right to left. Fine. So the answer will be 0.2325. In the same way, if you are going to divide it by 100, 1000. If you are going to divide it by 1000, for example 32.32, we are going to divide it by 1000. So there are 3 zeros in the denominator. Fine. So decimal will shift 3 places. But here you can see that there are only 2 places, that is 3 and 2. So what we will do, we will increase 1 0 before the number. Here we will increase 1 0 and decimal will shift now 3 places, 1, 2 and 3 places. So this decimal it will come here. So the answer will be 0.03232. Fine. Okay. This is the process by the division of 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. In the morning class it was clear to you all. So video I am making for more clear. Now the second topic it is dividing a decimal by a whole number. How we will divide a decimal number by any whole number. Okay. How we will divide any decimal number by whole number. Okay. You read this properly. Okay. Read this properly, students. Read this clearly. Okay, now I am going to tell how we will divide any decimal number by any whole number. For example, 2.32. We have to divide it by 2. Same process, same method you have to follow as you are dividing any two whole numbers. Only the difference will be it is of decimal. So first we will divide it 2 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. Okay. Now here you can see that there is a decimal point. Okay, we will put the same decimal in the quotient. Fine. We will put here decimal, after that we will put here 3. Now 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 that is 1. Okay, now we will put it here 2. 2 6 ja 12. Fine. Same process you have to follow. Okay. Now the next question I am going to tell. For example, see, if it is 0.234, you have to divide it by 2. Okay. Now here there is a decimal. So first we will put the decimal in the quotient, and the same way we will divide. 2 1 ja 2 cancel. We will put here 3. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 that is 1. That now we will put here 4. 2 7 ja 14. Fine. Cancel. Okay. Now The next topic it is division of a decimal by a decimal. Division of decimal by a decimal. How we will divide two decimal numbers, okay? You just read the steps, okay? I am going to tell you directly the questions. Okay, now how we will divide two decimal number? For example, 2.23 upon 3.2 it is given, okay? Now here you can see that there is a decimal in the numerator as well as in the denominator. First, we will remove the decimal from the denominator. We will try to remove the decimal from the denominator. So how we can remove? You can shift the decimal from the numerator as well as from the denominator. Same place from the numerator as well as from the denominator. If I am going to shift it one place, in the numerator also it will shift one place. So the answer will be 22.3 upon 32. Okay, so simply this is now the division of decimal by a whole number. You can do it, I think. Okay, now next point I am telling 4.623 upon 0.32. Okay, 0.32. Now first we have to remove the decimal from the denominator. So what we will do? So first we will remove the decimal from the denominator. So here we have to remove the shift the decimal to place. Okay, it should come here. Only then we will get the whole number. Okay. Now here you can see that we are shifting to place. So in the numerator we can shift to place. Okay. So the answer will be 462.3 upon 32. Now simply it is the division of fraction by a whole number. Now I think easily you can divide. Division of fraction by whole number, easily you can do it. Okay. Now these are the questions of your NCERT book, exercise 2.7. You have to solve this exercise, and if you have any doubt then please consult.